This is the BK Mueller 889-559 stem and cartridge assembly for the BK Mueller old style faucets with the aluminum handle and the tan plastic handles. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here and get a couple measurements. But first, a couple really important things to notice about the stem. It's down here on this end, you'll have that squared end there. And then coming down towards this end, you have that rubber, almost umbrella-shaped washer there. And then on the bottom side of the cartridge, you've got the holes all around the bottom side. Then coming up, you've got that hex portion there. And then you've got the two rubber O-rings as well. So starting with a total length, so from end to end, it's going to measure right at about 13 3/4, maybe just a little below 13 3/4. Then we can also get an outer diameter here at the end of the stem. It's going to measure just shy of 3/4 of an inch. And we can also just get a measurement of that top piece, so starting from the bottom of that umbrella shaped washer to the end there. And that's going to measure right at 3 inches. Yeah, so once again, this is the BK Mueller 889-559 stem assembly.